Hello friends. Now let us take up PFT 1B. This is the level 2 of the program, calculating areas of a room, means floor area and four walls area of the room. This is 100% same as level 1 program only. What is the difference is, here we are using functions. Level 1 program without using functions we have written. That is called either sequential program or procedural program. If you are 100% successful in that, now how to transform that program as a function oriented program, you can learn in this program. Okay, before writing this program, I have given a half dozen concepts. Before this, all that regarding functions I explained meticulously using examples. You be thorough with that, understand every bit of thing. One secret I have to tell you. If you are really good at function orientation, 50% of your learning task of programming is over. 50% of your task is over. That's why be thorough with writing functions and defining functions, etc. and all that. Here, every bit I want to explain to you meticulously. I don't want to fail you in this task. That's why first I am giving you hands-on explanation. Hands-on explanation means every bit of code I write on the board. By that you never fail to understand. Suppose if I dump the code 10-20 lines here, you may not have that much focus to focus on that. That much time or focus to understand that. That's why I am writing. My writing speed and your grasping speed is one and same. That's why 100% you can grasp. Thereafter you can comfortably write program. Being a beginner, you may commit 1 or 2 errors. No worry about that, because if you have integrity, out of every error you can learn things. You never commit the same error again and again. That point you have to understand. First, now see, this is our task. That means in this output should be printed like this. This is the output of the program. In this, what we are giving? We are giving the inputs, 4 input items. That is room's name, length, breadth and height. 4 items we have to give input, and thereafter in the output the 4 input items as well as the area of the floor of a room and 4 walls area of the room you have to print in a format. This is the thing. Actually here let us understand the problem and analysis. Actually in your examination hall, what you do? While you are writing examination, what to do? You understand question. You understand every question thoroughly. Thereafter, which answer you have to write and all that. You form an idea and keep it in brain and start writing. The same process we are adapting here. Here, now first, what is the task? Calculating floor area and 4 walls area of the room. So, for this purpose, this is the main task of the program. We have to divide it into subtasks. What are the main task is? Main task, calculating areas of a room. Already it is there. Now you see. Now which functions are required? Now what are the subtasks in that? For each subtask we have to define a function. First thing is we have to read data from the keyboard. So for reading data purpose, we have to define a function. Let us name it as read room data. Function we define. Names also. Giving names is not so easy. You should be precise and you should be meaningful. Whoever reads and all that, they should understand. In this, we define a function. In this, we read all the data items, 4 data items, and we store it in a dictionary. Already I explained dictionary is the right data structure for that and appropriate one. Dictionary data structure we define and thereafter we return it. So which type of function it is? Function which takes no information, no data and return a value. What it returns? It returns dictionary data structure. Okay. Second one, what we have to do? We have to calculate floor area of the room, and it returns what it returns? returns floor area. Okay, what we have to provide? Room data we have to provide, because what is the formula of this? Length into breadth. So that should be provided. Already this is returning it, that we are providing to here. It takes that and return floor area. What is the third function? Third function is calculating four walls area. Here for this also, what is required? We have to provide room data, and it calculates using formula. Why that? 2h into L plus B. Thereafter what it returns? It returns four walls area. Okay. What is the fourth function? Fourth function is demo room. Demo room means nothing but displaying output. Okay. For this, all the data, room data, calculate floor area, four walls area, all that we have to pass. So what type of functions it is? It is function takes data and return value. It's a function takes data and return a value. Demo room takes data but not returning a value, just simply display it. That point you have to understand. So four functions we have written. With the composition of these four functions, our program is ready. Thereafter, what we have to write? We have to define the main function. Main function we have to, this is, if any complicated part is there, only writing main only. That one or two times you can understand, it will become routine. So all this these functions are called from this, and in turn, whenever those are called, these are executed. Ultimately, results will come. Thereafter, we call the main function. Here, already I told you, the specialty of the Python is main function should be called. It cannot be called automatically. So main function should be called. When main function is called, in this whatever function calls are made, all that are made, in turn these are executed. Ultimately, you get the result as I showed to you. In this way, this is a mental work. So whenever you are writing a program, first complete your mental work. Otherwise, make a simple scribbling. So once mental work is over, then start typing it. This is a professional approach. As far as college students are concerned, they never bother. They start typing it. While typing only they think. Because of that only, they take a lot of time. Sometimes, many times, they fail to do it properly. So this is understanding problem and analysis. For every program, we have to complete this mental work. This is called design. Thereafter, whatever you do is called implementation.